Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Curly291 and I am Suprina. So today I want to do a twist out, but I want to see how this twisting tool actually works. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the twisting tool. It's called the Twist Secret, but I'm not only doing a review on this one, I'm doing another review on the Quick Twist. So we're gonna see which one is the best, or if none are the best. So if this is what you came here to see, then stay tuned. Okay, so y'all, let's just get right into this video. It's gonna be a little bit long, but so I had seen Amber Ansah try these twists, and in the description she had linked this one and this one. So I decided, you know what, we're gonna try both. We're gonna see if there's anything different about them, which one you should get or which one you shouldn't get. So let's see which one works. Okay, so let's unbox this one first. So this one is called the Twist Secret. Okay, let's just and then it has the two. Okay. Is the battery in here? Is it? Okay, it doesn't work. So the battery, y'all, it's got a screw. Okay, let's just try to get this screw out. And I don't got any batteries. Shit. I don't have batteries for this. Crap. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Y'all, I'm gonna be right back because I don't think I got batteries for this. I'm gonna have to take batteries from out of my remote or something, because I don't have batteries for this. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. Just right back. Give me a second.
Hey guys, I just wanted to take a break to remind you that you can follow me on my handles at Curly291, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.
Okay, y'all, I actually found a pack of unused AA batteries that I don't know why I have this pack of batteries, but point is, I got a pack of batteries. All right, so let's try to take this thing out. I'm gonna use, whatever this is, that's what I'm gonna use. I don't know what it is, a screwdriver, what do you call it, a flathead, a mini flathead, whatever. But I'm gonna try, I might just need a small one. I'll try the small one. Oh, yay. Oh, this hurts my hand. Jesus Christ. I thought she said it was going to come with batteries, but I guess I wasn't paying attention or listening very well, because it did not come with batteries at all. I don't know how to get this out. I'm just can I break it open? I don't know. It's not opening. Should I do it the other way? Oh, forgot to do it the other way. Oh my god, I feel so stupid. Oh, you have to go left, not right. Okay. Ooh, I destroyed it for no reason. Ooh. Okay. Shit. How am I gonna open it now? Because I just destroyed the piece that actually clicks it to open. Okay, there we go. Ah, we got it. I kind of destroyed this. I mean, like, it's okay, but like, we got it. Okay, so we have this one. Now let's unbox this one. Okay, so this is the one from Corner and it's called Quick Twist. So let's see if this one has batteries. Instructions. Yup. What is this? It looks like rope and like mini scrunchies. What the heck? Well, then again, it's a kid's thingy, so yeah. And I don't know what this is. It looks like beads. I don't know. Anyways, no batteries. So you're gonna have to have, well, let's see. Yeah. It has an on and off button, no batteries. So let's try to get this one out too. Okay, actually let's go left to see if it'll work left. See, like butter. What? I'm never putting no screws back, ever, ever, ever. And they both take AA batteries, so that's what I'm putting in here. At least this one wasn't destroyed. Ah! Alright. I'm so ready for this. Oh, crap. What does the instructions say? Oh, so it says hold the device slightly away from your head and stretch out the locks of hair. Turn the device onto position 1. That's this position. And then the tweezers will rotate, twisting the locks. Once the locks have been twisted and curled over the entire length, return the device to position 0. Okay, done. Line up the device as described above. Turn the device to position 2. The device's head pivots, twisting the 2 strands. Yeah. Now what does this one say? Pull strands so they are taut away from head and slide switch up to rotate twist. So that's the on button. And then rotate by hand in the direction of the arrow. There's an arrow right here. This wants me to rotate this by using my hand. Oh hell no. Like, nobody wants to do all that work. You know what? Let's just see what our twist would look like in the front of my hair right now. I seriously want to do a twist with this, but if none of these work out, like, I'm gonna just do it by hand because I don't. So I'm gonna need to put some water in my hair because my hair is already drying. And oh, before I forget, I already have like my moisturizer, my gel. I don't usually put gels in my twist out, but I put gel in my twist out today because I'm not playing with these 2 twisting tools, I swear to you. So what I used today was the Cream of Nature Pure Honey, the leave-in conditioner. I'll link everything that I use in the description. And then I used the Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco, the Curl Hydrating Cream. And then I used the Extreme Line gel in my hair. So I'm gonna do one side with the black one and then one side with the pink one. And my hair is already drying, so I'm gonna wet it a little bit and then comb through it. So it says press the side up and then put the hair in there. Okay, great. So press this side up, put the hair in there. Come on, go ahead, get in there. Okay. I'm kind of like just gonna bring it to the bottom. Okay. And then it says, please, and then it says, move it up. Yee. That is super cool. Do you see what it's doing? Oop. Okay. Can it do more or? Ooh, that feels really good. Ooh, and it's tight. Okay, and let's do. Oh, that is so cool. Oops. Oh my God, that is. Okay, let's take it out. Oh my God, and it actually like, it isn't that bad, like on my roots. Oh my God, that is so cool. The only thing is you have to like go back and like do your ends. Why? That sucks. Let's try the pink one. Did it wrong. So we're gonna give it one more chance. Okay. Oop. Okay. Doesn't seem as tight. Okay, so we're gonna. Good. Okay, we can stop now. Like it doesn't. Okay, so this is like part of the hair that didn't get in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then you gotta like turn it. Wait, no, I'm doing the wrong direction. They were like, no, ma'am. It says, yeah, it says twist in a direction, the arrow, and the arrow is going this way. So, this way. Okay. I am just not impressed. Get out my hair. No. No. This sucks. This sucks. Okay. Like, I don't, it doesn't even feel like this one at all. Like, okay. I am not going to use this for a twist. I'm sorry. It's just, it's a no for me, sis. This, trash. No. I will not be using this. Now this though, y'all, my hair, like it feels really ropey and tight. Like I know my twists with this are gonna come out really good. So like this one actually like curls, like twist the hair apart and then twist them together. Like this is what you need. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you. This is the winner compared to the pink one. This is the winner, sis. To be honest, I don't know if this is worth it. Like compared to my hands, like I feel like I can get everything done faster if I just use my hands. So we're going to put this to the ultimate test. And I'm going to do half my hair with this and then half of my hair with my hands. And we'll see which twists come out better or if they come out just the same. And I'm going to do that video and link it down in the description. And it's going to be somewhere up here also. And tell me what you think. But for now, this is all I have for you. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and comment. And if you want to see more videos from me like this, then go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to push that notification button. Bye!